Come on now, 4-point game, 4 minutes left. Crunch time. What's the word now? Let's get to it now. Alright now. Hold on now, 4-point game. Hold on now. Hey, hold on, D-Book, hold on now. Hold on. Leonard Brooks, he'll give you a bucket too now. He'll give you a bucket too now. Keep telling y'all. That man, hold on. That man, he don't just play defense, man. Hold on. He don't just play defense now. He'll give you a bucket too now. I'm keep trying to tell y'all.